Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing the best in your lives. First of all, welcome to my channel. Friends, my today's video is on a unique theme, unique design ideas of hand embroidery for especially summer dresses, kurti design ideas, and a well blended mixture of black and white contrast. Yes, friends, all you can get amazing and trendy ideas related to how you can design your plain black dresses, how you can design your plain black kurti with a very beautiful and exquisite one color thread, that is white color embroidery ideas. You can also use off white cream and beige color of thread for making exactly these embroidery patterns as well. You can pair up these very beautiful dresses along with white trouser, along with simple plain white tulips, along with shalwar, along with white bottoms. Even you can pair up these kurtas along with your jeans as well, and to give a more South Indian touch as well. So I hope that all of these design ideas are beautiful and easy to make, and only hand embroidery stitches have been used for making leaves, fly stitch have been used, and for making flowers satin stitch have been used, and for filling the dots French knots have been used. All of these 2-3 basic stitches have been used, and the whole entire embroidery pattern is being made. So for watching more stylish, trendy, amazing and absolutely related trends of fashions that is up to the mark, subscribe my channel. You can get all type of creative ideas related to hand art, fabric painting, crochet, knitting, machine embroidery, girls fashionable accessories, home decor, kids dressing, women, teenager and every age group girls clothing ideas as well. So stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. Up till then, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Keep showering your love, keep supporting us as you always have been, so that we could grow up into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. So stay tuned and hope to see you soon back in our new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care.